Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The multifunctional Meccanica Benassi MF226 rotary cultivator represents excellence in agricultural tools, combining versatility and power to meet the needs of both hobbyists and professionals in the field. Equipped with a reliable and durable Honda GP200 engine, it is designed to operate effectively on various types of terrain. The oil bath gear transmission ensures long-lasting performance and uninterrupted operation, while the 4-speed gearbox, with 2 forward and 2 reverse gears, allows the working speed to be adapted to specific ground conditions. The maneuverability of the MF226 is further enhanced by the wheel release, also manually controlled. The single-speed independent power takeoff allows the connection of various agricultural tools, making the cultivator extremely versatile. The rubber wheels provide excellent traction on all types of terrain, while the tiller with adjustable hood, available in widths of 60, 50, and 40 centimeters, ensures efficient and precise soil processing. The quick tool attachment simplifies and speeds up accessory changes, making the Meccanica Benassi MF226 an indispensable ally for anyone. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.